Hello everyone, my name is Moses Nikoswara and NPM 2241156, Kelas Manajemen Kinerja. Performance feedback, fueling growth and development. Welcome to our presentation on the critical role of performance feedback. Today, we'll explore how effective feedback can unlock individual potential, drive team success, and foster a culture of continuous improvement within our organization. We'll move beyond traditional annual review to embrace a dynamic approach to feedback that fuels growth. Why effective feedback matters. Today agenda 1. The power of feedback. Understanding its true impact beyond mere complaints and traditional annual review. 2. Types of feedback. Exploring appreciative, constructive, and development approach for different situations. 3. Giving feedback effectively. Mastering principles for clarity, specificity, and maximizing positive impact. 4. The art of delivery. Practical techniques for navigating and delivering different conversations with grace. 5. Receiving feedback gracefully. Cultivating a growth mindset and active listening skills for personal development. 6. Overcoming challenge. Addressing common pitfalls and strategy for handling difference effectively. 7. Building a feedback culture. Integrating feedback into daily operations to create a supportive environment. 8. Key to cures and action plan. Summarizing core insights and defining actionable steps for continuous improvement. The power of feedback beyond annual review and complaints. Effective feedback is far more than a bureaucratic exercise. It's a vital tool for fostering individual and organization growth. Will annual review shape the performance? Continue will structure feedback create a dynamic environment where employees feel valued, understand their impact, and are empowered to develop their skill. Proactives these goals beyond mere confidence truly Muslining potential. It cultivates a culture of open communication, build trust, and ensure alignment with strategic goals. When feedback is embedded in daily interaction, it becomes a catalyst for real-time adjustment and sustained high performance. Preferential issue for expressing and celebrating success promptly. Types of feedback: appreciative, constructive, and developmental. Appreciative feedback focus on recognizing strength, positive behavior, and successful outcomes. It reinforces desired action and build confidence. For example, your initiative in leading touchline presentation last week was excellent. Your clear communication really resonated with them. Con- Constructive feedback addresses an areas for improvement, focusing on specific behavior rather than personal personal trait. Its goal is to help individual overcome challenges and during the team meeting I noted a few instances where we could have used more directly with everyone ideas. Next time, let's try to ensure everyone feels heard. Developmental feedback. I made a long-term growth and skill building. It helped individuals identify future opportunities and prepare for new roles or responsibility. An example may be to prepare your for a leadership roles. I did like you to take one more project management responsibility and regularly present update to senior stakeholders. Giving feedback effectives. Principles for clarity, specificity, and impact. B teams deliver feedback as close to the event as possible to ensure relevance and recall. Immediate feedback is often the most impactful for behavior change. Be specific. Describe the exact behavior or action, not generalization. Use I statement to focus on your observation and feeling instead of you are always late. 3. I notice you arrived 15 minutes late for the last two morning meeting. 3. Focus on paper, not cherish spare, but the person from the action. Create paper allow for change, orange, criticizing, gesture, Canada to definition and assessment. For example, the repos contains several types instead of your regulars. 4. Maintain privacy. Deliver constructive or developmental feedback in a private setting to avoid embarrassment and foster an open dialogue. Public praise is good, but public criticism is not. After solution, next step. Don't just point out problem with the individual thought solution or discuss actionable next step for improvement. This turns feedback into a growth opportunity. The art of delivery practical techniques for delivering difficult comparison. Establish psychology safety. Begin by affirming the person value and your positive intent. Reassure them the feedback is for their growth, not judgment. Describe the observation. Clearly state what you observed without judgment. Use factual, objective language to set the stage for this discussion. Explain the impact. Describe the impact of their paper one, you, the time, or the business. This help the person understand the consequence. Engage in dialogue. Ask open-ended questions to invite their per- perspective. Listen actively and be prepared to hear their side of the story. Agree on next step. Collaboratively determines actionable steps. This creates commitment and ensures accountability for further improvement. Receiving feedback gracefully, cultivating a growth mindset and actively listening. Receiving feedback, especially constructive criticism, and be changed, but is a vital skill for personal and professional development. Cultivating a growth mindset means viewing feedback as an opportunity to learn and improve rather than a personal attack. This shift in perspective is good for leveraging feedback. Listen actively. 5. Avoid interrupting and genuine 3. To understand the message. Assess the receiving quiz and need call. You give me an example of that. Express gratitude. Thank the person for their feedback, even if it's difficult to help. Acknowledging change effort encourages future honesty and support. Listen actively by full extension. Avoid interrupting and genuinely try to understand the message. Just clarifying question if need. Call you give me an example of that. Express gratitude. Thanks the person for their feedback even if it's difficult to help. Acknowledging their effort encourages future honest and support. Seek to understand. Don't immediately defend up. Justify. Stand. Focus on understand the feedback from the giver's perspective. Pre- pre- to complete understanding. So if one understand your request, reflects and checks, take time to process the feedback, then decide one actionable step and follow through. This how you value their input and are committed to grow. Overcoming challenge, addressing defensiveness and common pitfalls. Even with the best intention, feedback can sometimes be met with defensiveness or misunderstanding. Recognizing the common pitfall is the first step toward overcoming them and ensure the feedback process remain productive and positive. Addressing the challenge head one foster a more robust feedback culture. Addressing defensiveness when fit with defensiveness remain calm and effective. Write your positive intents and focus on the paper, not the person. Ask open-ended questions to uncover that perspective and what tools and shared understanding. The Zen method pitfall will intention the compliment method can sometimes dilute the message or make the crisis seem insignificant. Focus on declared hounds and balance feedback that is masked by experience prime. Failing penguins lack of specification is a common pitfall. Generic feedback like "you need to improve" is understood. Always the feedback to concrete examples and specific situations to make it accessible and clear. Timelines matter. Delaying feedback after diminishes its impact. Address is properly while the memory is fresh for both parties. This prevents small issues from becoming later performed. Building a feedback culture. Integration feedback into daily operational. For feedback to through for growth, it need to be more than an essential event. It must be integrated into the public of daily operational like feedback, culture promotion, learning, adaptability, and high information of organization. Regular check-ins, frequent informational feedback session, not just formal review. Test very consistent interaction, keep communication lines open. Feedback system implements for challenges to provide feedback to their fostering collective responsibility for growth, managing training, equip managing with the skill and confidence to deliver effective feedback and facilitated cooperation. 360 feedback utilizes system where employees receive feedback from multiple sources first subordinates and managing for a complex review, recognizing and reward, acknowledge and celebrate individual and teams work actively engage in giving and receiving feedback, measure impact, track key metrics relate to performance improvements, and apply adjustment to demonstrate the value or feedback. Lead by example. Leadership must model transparent and open feedback practices, setting the tone for the entire organization. Key takeaway and your action plan for continuous improvement. Today we explored the proven impact of effective performance feedback. It's clear that moving beyond traditional review to a culture of continuous, specific, and empathetic feedback is essential for unlocking potential and driving organization success. Not let's consolidate or learning and consider actionable next step. One for resist specificity. When giving feedback, always be precise about the behavior and its impact about Pegway statement. Through practice active listening when receiving feedback, focus on understanding, ask clarifying questions, and avoid immediate defensiveness. Seek development opportunities, activate look for chance to give and receive feedback in daily interaction, not just during process. Lead by example, manager and leader consistently demonstrate the value of feedback by seeking it on and acting on it yourself. We action each of your to commit to one specific action from today. Discussion to integrate into your work habits. Let's feedback and continuous conversation that profiles with all forward. Thanks for listening.